there is difference between character and charisma. Obi Pepper doesn't mean you're a fake. David, I'm a friend, but now he has problem with women. Or a womanizer, but I'm a friend. It is all the mess was a wood dimatamwa. A personal attack.
Oseye. And then she na onyame edi enunyam pon bi ebi o man Ghana ebi o wiase afana nyina na yebie mu a enya hwe na hyem se eye Lawson TV na Lawson TV na hyem dia na yekuku mu nsam eye nsam a emudo nsam a eye kroje nsam a agi nsam a abura adwene ntiase so odofo se wo pese onya kuku mu nsam unya Lawson TV nsam pa ene ne abura adwene ntiase so a first room nsam ye chire nature dia me pato subscribe Lawson TV na share na me pato bi nsan kansam pa me american say o say ye na waje se eye Lawson TV o say ye na waje se dey eye Lawson TV eno ene ye de ko 2024 eno ne ye de ko 2022 me pato ko swara na share Lawson TV na obeyin sira me da say
to jamaa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nini dan wanko Ilyas Abdurrahman na mataimaka wani kungiyar da ake kiranta Let the Bible and Quran Speak Organization na gaya ma yawaye musulmai a fadin Ghana a fadin duniya. Lawson TV station ne na wanga tasha suna kokari kwarai suna taimaka ana yadar da wa'azozinmu na musulunci isa na gayyata musulmai duka a fadin duniya a duba Lawson TV a subscribe a share saboda kowa ya samu amfani wurin nima nake wa'azi. Allah ya saka muku, Allah ya biya muku baki daya. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hello everybody, hi, my name is Esther Saforo. I just want to welcome you all to Lawson TV, and I want you to share, like, subscribe to this channel, and you're going to be a blessing. God bless you wherever you are. Keep watching. Don't touch that dial.
Ewiase adea ya pa ne se uti wiase na ohonam nye na honam so yensere emfa ntukwan yensere emfa nko aye na opese oma honam kasa pa de a ene na ukwati abijas ene na wokwaku me se frɛ abijas eba eman tade ema change ema duku ema bet ema somade eye toma ema shoes eye rings na fa bibia fa make us hu bia de ene na fa wo hawo na odadwene ekodan abijas ensan yo se wo spray papa enkun papa semana papa fa o hawo no pakodan abijas na eba social media handles nso a Facebook Abijas Beauty Empire, Instagram Abijas_Beauty Empire. Fasa number way na ubenya Abijas 404 Abijas 883 Abijas 6576 Abijas ehwani ebewada.
Mama Wakwa Baba Waha Construction Company Limited. You're using modern cost-effective building technologies to build state-of-the-art facilities. And yes, also provide separate ancillary services such as architectural drawings, landscaping, renovation, electrical installations, and repairs. Yeah, house management, plumbing, carpentry, masonry works, and more kakam. Ebusia for Wawa Quintum, Mwana Wapida was done. I want to Kodanda. Makam for Waha Construction Company Limited. It's a month. The Denbiara PDC Biara School done, chapel done, restaurant. From a Waha Construction Company Limited. Nantumada, who be seen the Kamadamo, Sapeda Washadamo, Washadamo, Capimabra, Ababa, Apachuodan. So we're going to know. Nasa PDs wooden was Central Region, Ashanti Region, Western Region, Greater Accra, Ghana Babyara. When you're in the contact one. Kululu Biani, Waha Construction Company Limited, Woko Yarati. What Denbiara PDC Biara on your problem? Now, yeah, repairs is so. You're able staffs in Wohome 24/7. Time being here when you are a from I bet you do. Waha Construction Company Limited, Cape Coast, Kakumdo, Abrajukwa Road, Waben Kakum, MA Basic School, Abrosano Biana, our first floor. A bit my from 055-026-8598. Email wahaconstructionlimited@gmail.com. Social media handles: Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn on Waha Construction Limited, and Waha Ghana on Facebook. Visit one website, www.wahaconstruction.com. Waha Construction. No job too big, no job too small.
Keep watching Mofanto Lawson TV. Keep watching, don't change it. Keep watching, don't change it. Keep watching, don't change it. And one Lawson TV.
Usia also nyankopon hira na onye okese. Sadia Abrene Abrenya Lawson TV ya kanu no ye de ade a asie na ewosum na Lawson TV ya kwafade ba. Jumadi ya yato ni din se nyamesumu anhwehwemu. Na yade ebrewe na musonfo the worshiper me na me di jumadi ho chia me. Na empanyifo se grofo duapa na epiano. Enti jumadi ye de adwumako bi na aso yasene. Abrene Abrenya mbo ya chidom. Emi ekofa jumadi ekesesi e de brewo. Aha. Enti no bomoden na tenase na hweye na ene ensem a emu do na emu eyesham ana yede ebrewo. Aha, Victoria Gastes ombo ya chidom papa. Victoria Gastes ombo ya chidom ana Waha Construction so omonso adwumapombo ya chidom ana jumadi a omonso so omaniji se dabia no mbo ya chidom. Aha, nyas kente omonso so kanwa ombo ya chidom nenene na enne nyamia dum me papa na yene na hie mfa nyamia nim nokure ni meti mi ankasa no meti ni din na me ya gofra Ghana ha Kumasi ha wiase baby ade se me boni din a ana odin din to ya wankasa bu se ne ya bowura ebunum ya wura baby a ehodo makacho se Lawson TV odin na odi asem mema me kasa anya tintin panyifo se agro ne fom me papa yi de dikan minyan monidin nanso erwade nsia no enye asofo panyifo nyina no mutimi bie omopuno ne papa de ba ye obie ne puno fefefe ko wa bread ye o ya sori wa bread nanso o se se de be ya wonso so obetin sembiase entini wa makwan me ko me papa ne ho me be se me pre me ho na maboni din kra me ko no an nche papa me akwa ba Lawson TV so
ya de na biso hene
awon pacho na pom ti se
radio adoni moburu
e na Christus me de mati din mati na mahunu in fact nyankopon onhyira o papa pacho wada Roma awie de jumadi ato ni din se nyamesumu hwehwemu na minim se na erade be fa so amyate enyame biase ewo nyamesumu papa we de wada Roma be bo din a che yahwefo ani atiefo na omahu ni paban a wankasa oye alasi
yo we dikari asidama nyame de toso ye chia Lawson TV ahwefo ni na me say fame Prophet Benjamin Opoku Agyemang. If you can act prophet, it depends on country also.
Okay.
We can act prophet, we can act prophet. Benjamin Opoku Agyemang.
Okay.
But don't know family prophet Igwe.
Okay.
There are some friend Marvelous Light Worldwide Chapel.
Wonderful.
Ewo Kumasi ne do so kan.
That's fine.
And namdano.
Papa nyabisra. Yen twaso ne yenye nitia. Prophet Igwe. Minim se din a ya boy de enye udin foforo kra. Eye din a baabi a befa bia obeti sa edin. Se Kumasi ene ne nkra ne Ghana de se adi 420 ehia na se adi we ampiem a na nya adi 4 na ehia no. Enne ye be pensen se muniati ensem biase na minim se na ye papa obekirekire ne yema mu ama me no mienu yate enema biase papa de di kamesa mo akwa ba biu
ya de na biso hin
papa awia yi de se de adwuma de ne ato ne de nyamesumu antwihwimu papa ya kanya nyamesumu ankasa no wada roma ya kanya nyamesumu ani de hin
yo madam wase de di kan no ye wo nyamesum
okay
and ye wo kristosum.
That's right.
Two different things.
Okay.
Enyepe. There. Nyamesom titimire mu no. Ansa na Yesu Kristo ebeba no. Na omo sum nyame.
Okay.
Enti no mo kasa say Abraham nyankopon, Isaac nyankopon, Jacob nyankopon, Elijah nyankopon, Elisha nyankopon.
Okay.
Enti 3 dispensations. Those time na Yesu nyamaye no ana Abraham mo ne Abraham mo ne Isaac ni Jacob mo ni nyamenam no na the dispensation of God.
Okay.
And you friend nyamesom that time no mo sum nyame. What do you say?
Okay.
You know abra nyame ni Israel for 90 years ya sa dispensation ni twam no Yesu Kristo bai ya wo Yesu oba no bra wasasi so oba ebe jensen chene be ya anwade ebe twe akra ye we ni na awie ye no owi Yesu wu achi what you say ano ne friend no BD before that eti sana Yesu wu ye no achi ansa ne be nya Kristo som.
Okay.
Enti nyamesom ayetete. Yes,
that's right.
Yesu ababewu ko yachi eni ebenya Kristo som. Na Yesu ankasa na onye Kristo ni. Yeah, Jesus Christ is not a Christian. The entire maker san say after Yesu wachi ansa ne ye babenya Kristo som.
After the death of Christ.
Okay. And son Yebabenya Christo some. That means that Jesus wasn't a Christian.
Medofo, what do you mean I want to ask you whether the answer now would you for you again? Because Tony to was your partner that and nothing a law TV of a bar. Yet, ye pense na yahu ne puma secret. About that Roma. Trust me.
Enti yes, you know the Christian.
Now on your Christian,
Debbie. You can never call Jesus Christ as a Christian.
Okay.
After the death of Christ, yes, we will call it. I will share some for the Nantia, some for the Casa, some for the Dia, and almost say, where you use what chicken for you. Enti Antioch. I will according to Bible Antioch. How do you mean Christians? Yes, because Antioch for the used to worship. Said the night we have for no news to Peter, more John, more Matthew, more Luke, more what you say. Said almost a bomb, but I hear money, man. And almost we a Christo actually for you. The Christo actually for that is almost a Christopher. And he may be Christians. And Jesus wasn't a Christian. And after the death of Christ, and he may be Christianity, a Christosom. And you know, everyone wa nyamesom yen sum nyame yen sum Kristo
yen era we no
ye Kristofo. What you say? Yesu wa ti ye be ye Kristofo.
Okay.
Enti na Bible ne se tutu omo je no na omo je ni didi yen omo tumi se omo be Nyankopon ba.
Okay.
What you say? The Kristo ebe we ori body ato ya body enti ye Kristofo. Se ye so ye nyamesomfo ana sum nyame a enke ra so twa nnan. Era so twa nantwi. Era so twa mpɔnkye. Era so twa mbɔ. What you say? But I'm saying nyamesomfo ne ye Kristofo. Saa ko twa gantwa ɔtwa nantwa. Yesu mo kana be hwia. Atia sakni na. Eti moja bie no wiase a edi bem kasa che Yesu moja. Eti ye yen mpɔnkye ade ye yen nantwi mu. Entu bi sa me a Kristo som no ane nyamesom no. Nyamesom no na butwa mo moja ade pabone ade sebone tache. Obutwa mo moja ade srade. What you say? Nyamesumu no ne yakɔ ntomadan nim sɔpani ali na sɔpani na bɛkɔ ɔkɔ ana chains on the night na adoma soso na ɛwo so ɔkɔsɛ bɔ nifa kyɛ ama yɛnyɛ bɔne ɛno no wɔkɔ ntomadan nim na sɛ wayɛ bɔne a ɔno ɔnya mmɛtwa ne mmerɛ wu gye sɛ chain yɛ sɔre na yɛsom ne atwe na pie what you say? Saa nkonkom bia no ɛna Yesu bɛwu yɛ no Bible says so dem want to adem team you. And when the man yen to me say afraid you maybe go say ma obi. Okay. What am I say? Wa wuti ba jana ni e be say about patch. Afraid no Yesu abehwe mo dia enti yen sum nyam sum biem. Ni akotwa na akotwa mponcha akotwa anadwe ni nyam sum biem. Dia bi nti yen mo dia twa biem. What am I say? Because ade amanka enwan mponcha na ntwe mo dia be no nyam sum no. Kristo sumo ni Yesu mo dia ba be. Eje wo yi. Papa me da se. Ena me se wo beti nsem. Papa na te se ne Erade na muso a wo ken. Ese nyame sumo no. Omo sumo no na different. Eje na ye die. Yes, omo nyame omo die no. Na omo kokunkum bia. Ene so peri na ko. Akose bon fache. Ene ye ko je ne. What you say? Omo no butwa mo moja enwan emponche anantwie ade sere body fache ene Yesu moja abetwa saka what you say omo na obobo mpae no ache nyankopon straight ene ye bom mpae wo Yesu Kristo din edino aye two different dispensations. Okay. The dispensation of the Father and the Church. Now dispensation of the Son so abene there. And I feel also here than what okay. What you say? It is a said yes, never some. And my pastor and name Obicha, you saw them near Kumnanchi, na you kuma koko, you moja. And a bobra baby. Adie bia ye betwa moja ayaye wa so dem se bonifache se abesrede se mpata enu ni Yesu moja ba betwa sa Canada do what you say it no say we own the debt that we could not pay and he paid the debt what you say it ye be ka ye ntimentwia enu obetua ena Yesu Kristo ni moja betwa sa aka to no more than you can hear him. It is all become what you're trying to hear. No church and Fufrubi. Now, church and Fufrubi. Aye, send now Obikum Nanchi and Champo, Chagan, and Chagan, and Ponche, name and Fufro. Because Papa, oh yes, that's a Christo Sumo, yes, shall say. Yes, and what I bet you have you here, what I they make a lot of say. Dia tete na ko be hia moja dia ye bia Yesu Kristo abehwe moja agu e de fia sa de no Calvary over 2000 years ago. Papa Sanka olden days na say de wo kirem say omukumu nwa ne kokko ne apon emponche ne de embuka hwen na ye nyame ba ko na nyame ayeso ne yi na o record no olden days no. Yes, ne ntise ne se mi twa bia enya nyame kro ye o nyame request sa je ni biem sese because that time na nobody mo jani ya na it wasn't enough. What you say ade poti ade wo say mo no jani ti ne ntumi nde e to me pattern na me na channel go say o me sra de na channel aside it God needed a blood that is so precious a bit man pray for even children unborn nchirima what am I saying? It is a say no. The Ananka Ponchimo Janabaya Manamino. Yes, would have a I rather no accept it. And to a young one more jebium. And this will be Chen and Chia or Jaya, not as a young people who hear you or hear you, David. Send me down Pondo, yes. Don't resist. So in the dog won't crown my head. So no better don't you have a down. It's idea and can continue what and Nyan and Jomo Jabelem. Yes, what can I be Chiabe? So it's no more necessary, it's no more needed. On me, hear him.
Papa, asɛm bi kyerɛ ma dwo ha paa na me sɛ Awurade bɛfa wo so aboayɛ sɛdeɛ woka no yi ɛnɛ nyame hia saa nkokɔ ne apapo ne mmerɛkyɛ mogya ne bio na papa nnɛn yɛn Awurade a yɛ Kristo som yi Yesu mogya no bɛyɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa de ama yɛ nanso na yɛte bi sɛ obi timi sɔfo bi timi fɔ sɛ wɔyɛ Yesu mogya ani papa no yɛkyerɛ mu sɛ
I don't know the assault here said say what did different signs and tokens.
Oh, okay.
What you say? Signs and tokens in nature say. Mama Bible. I say, yeah, Bible say, yes, you say my mama say man. We say man na. Or say said most ma call bre wo so. Na obi a work and pay and hwe oni ampadem. Sa na yama oni papa no so. Said we be dey hwe oni papa no bia be ampadem.
Okay.
Into aye signs. Tete no na our walk ka Israel for desert so mu Bible say wade ka che Moses say pe cobre brass na fa ye wo sense what does it no bia wo no be ka no so to be pede ni be sa wo na ani say wo ni poison timi ko obe so Bible na the one pede ni nyam hwe cobre wo na bo saye ne de wo no ka no be. And I'm about to say Bible say obi a one kind of page and you come to one most say him when now it was a token a sign a chira the ebeba say be ba e ba ni do be for Jesus Christ kai be na say bia wo bia so a ni pa bia wo man ye wo ha wo dan na bia pene ni ahwe sa Kristo ya bo na say bia no obenya kwati the olden days in the sea it was speaking about something that was going to happen. It was a sign and a token of Christo over the Wadian. Many people in the area Christo be a young party. What is it? Fine. A beyond your working. Yes, but I hear about what you done years ago. But you bet for ensuring a bosom pie. You bet for communion wine. Me a bosom pie. As a sign and a token, you did Jinawama. And then I saw sorry to October and then other Pentecostals. Omo ye wura de bia e the same communion wine. Okay. I must say no makotu we en moja we en honam na Yesu honam na wan asem and so ya the pan no dia ejiro ma Yesu honam a sign and a token ya de ejijade ye adwuma ya the communion wine ejiro ma Yesu moja a sign and a token ejiro bibi e ye adwuma Baba, enti enya de bone entie nyamiasem tabi enya tiwade e bi say ke nya wura de didi enka ya de didi so ni because communion one corner ne pan no ne mu di wura de didi wa so de I think say me diri ye say question abantin sanso na ba obi o hwe etiri say o say anadwo no be Yesu ama no ofa pan no na odase ofa pan no e na odase e na obubu mu de ma odase owie no ofa kuru no say we ni mi moja ya koma de ni ba bebre ti orihwe gwa mama body fafiri papa no de ye hu se ofa pan and was we ni me honam and o de ye edinade enti enei no se me uru nyankopɔ fie na se saa nyama ne bi e koso a e bi se ya kosomfo anya kosomsom se Yesu na hye ase kire Awurade ni ya ne ye wo kai ofa apa no ofa awan e ye kuwa ana o ka se we ene me moja we ni me honam what am I saying? The Drew baby cry, yes, because of that, money, not Munu Moja. Bible said, no kind of my son will be free. Yes, on Saturday, I may father. They really pan in the Babuja, but it was a sign and a token. And to use the DKA, what you say? Every church and every Christianity should have something that signifies Christ. I'll say, let me be just to check Christ. A big and you're ready to the communion one year. Near the panel, John, my use to what you say? And when they just say, you're ready to send it. I am covenant. And to suit me, I know the outside hot on. Who are so free. So, what am I saying? So, obey a baby or quite baby one. So, we need panel. One thing that, or more than the public. I am covenant, they build with level. It's the answer you're a Christo to send it here. I am the council, and their abomination, and their enchantment, and their definition, and you're wrong. I am here, a cast, I'm sorry, but be a Christo, I'm sorry. You didn't honor near me in the form of a bread and a communion wine.
ɛwɔ sɛ asafo bia na sɛ church bia gyina Nyankopɔn asɛm so no kure mu no sɛdeɛ yɛ papa aka no na ɛte sɛ megyiri yɛ sɛ kwasi aba ntinsa so na aba obi a ɔhwɛ etiri sɛ ɔse anadwo na ɔbɛyi Yesu ama no ɔfa paano na ɔda ase ɔfae paano ɛna ɔda ase ɛna ɔbubu mu de ma ɔkasa owie no ɔfa kuruwa no ɔse wei ne mi mogya ɛyɛ akɔma deɛ nipa bebree ti ɔhwehwɛ gua ma mobɔ ne fafiri papa no deɛ yɛhu sɛ ɔfa paano ɛna ɔse wei ne me honam ɛna ɔde yɛ agyinadeɛ enti ɛnɛn no sɛ me wowura Nyankopɔn fie na sɛ saa nneɛma no bi ɛkɔ so a ebi sɛ yɛ akosomfo
anyɛ akosomsom sɛ Yesu na hyɛ aseɛ kyerɛ Awurade ne di yɛne deɛ wɔka ɔfa apaano na ɔfa awan ɛyɛ kuruwa ɛna ɔka sɛ wei ɛne me mogya wei ne me honam wotem ase ɛduru baabi bra Yesu ka sɛ ɔka kyerɛ sɛ monni me honam na mono me mogya Bible sɛ no kwa ne ma asuafo no bebree firi Yesu akyi ɔmo sɛ de yɛ abayifo ana yɛwe nipa nam ne nipa mogya but it was an sign and a token enti Yesu ne di kan yɛ ni Yesu na wote aseɛ every church and every Christianity be a Christian should have something that signifies Christ. I'll say that be a just to check Christ. A big and you are ready to the communion one here near the panel John my use to now. What you say? And not that just here you are ready to send it. I am covenant. And to really I know the outside hotel. Who are so free so what am I saying? So be a baby no crab baby one. So we really panel. One thing that ọmọ nipa mo da ɛyɛ covenant they build with level eti yɛn nso yɛde yɛ Kristo to nsa de bia ɛyɛ ne kwan so ano ɛnyɛ abomination ɛnyɛ enchantment ɛnyɛ definition ɛna ɛnyɛ wrong ɛyɛ adeɛ a etwa sɛ asɔre papa bi yɛ Kristo asɔre yɛdi ne honam ne yɛde ne mogya in the form of a bread and a communion wine.
ɛwɔ sɛ asafo bia na sɛ church bia gyina Nyankopɔn asɛm so no kure mu no sɛdeɛ yɛ papa aka no na ɛnɛ Lordson TV ɛna wohwɛ yɛde yɛse yɛgyina hɔ for nokorɛ yɛgyina hɔ for nokorɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛte Nyamesom ase na ne yɛ papa yɛwura another angle yɛwura different dimension wakyerɛ yɛn Kristosom ɛna wabɛkyerɛ yɛn Nyamesom olden days ɛne New Testament that's why twerɛsɛm ne kuta yɛn yɛwɔ apam dada ɛna yɛwɔ apam foforɔ papa me deɛ mame nsan mmerɛ aha abiem sɛdeɛ Nyame asiw ne diifoɔ yi asɛm a mebu sɛ deɛ mu odu nanso papa waa na wɔ sɛ mebu sa wɔ ɛnɛ adifo dwuma ɛyɛ adwuma
adifo dwuma yɛ adwuma Yesu sɛ kɔsi sɛ mɛba no sɔɔdeɛ baako kora ne obɛfiri woka Bible no so ɔsɔfo ebi mu sɛ ebi bɛyɛ asɔfo ebi bɛyɛ asomafo ebi bɛyɛ asɛmpɛkafo ebi bɛyɛ akyerɛkyerɛfo ebi bɛyɛ adiifo enti ɛyɛ fivefold ministry. There is difference between a gift and a called ministry. And so yɛ wɔ adom akyɛdeɛ ɛne ɔfrɛ adwuma emu obi wɔ nkɔmhyɛ adom akyɛdeɛ but ɔnyɛ odiifo
obi wɔ nkɔmhyɛ adom akyɛdeɛ but ɔnyɛ odiifo abɛyɛ kyerɛ mu sɛ
adom akyɛdeɛ deɛ ɛyɛ gift ɛno no ɛnyɛ yɛ established to be a calling and an office yɛwɔ obi a onim nkuro oni sɛ ɔfɛ do ɛyɛ wei wote aban yɛ ɛyɛ wei but ɛno kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ doctor. Obi a yɛfrɛ no doctor yɛ obi a wahyɛ no akɔ medicine school na wagraduate na wawie na wokɔ certificate as a doctor enti ɔno ɔte an office of a doctor ɔno obi a wɔsua nnuro na ɔnim nnuro keka bɔ mu ɛnyɛ pɛ obi wa na yɛ n'adom akyɛdeɛ sɛ ɔnim sɛ ɔte aba ɔyɛ wei wofɛ do fɛ ɔyɛ wei ɛyɛ n'adom akyɛdeɛ but ɛno nyɛ no doctor ɛyɛ calling ɛyɛ office saa na tie etumi gbɛ ní adum akyɛdeɛ a ɛyɛ sɛ ɔnim wei nim wei adum akyɛdeɛ otumi hu adeɛ hu adeɛ ni ma wo nyɛ odiifo
hu adeɛ ni kyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ diifo
dɛbi ɛdiifo dwuma no ɛyɛ office ti sɛ obi yɛ lɔya wotumi ntira ɔnka nkyɛn sɛ ɔyɛ lɔya abira wo nkɔ law school yɛ graduate you as a lawyer eti no ɛdiifo dwuma ti sɛ obi yɛ doctor obi yɛ lawyer by profession o ɛnyɛ by mouth
Never do an old kind
every day different juma no ɛyɛ office juma no me te a me te be office as a prophet obi a ɔno adoma kyɛ de oti ho ade timiti asɛm eti mi tell because I saw them me baby me run na me ka say me free bam and mama be come I don't just say baby I don't know what the gift of prophecy
I know and come say
adoma kyɛ but a different yeah your friend your office me te there am the doctor lawyer there
adifuye aye office said your bank was so what ya on doctor aye pe adifuye people to tell me many confused because lost TV ya pass ya tin nsem bi ase na ye hunu enema mu ye said ye be ya okohia bia okohia obeti ase ese uru be no se de we ade a wo ye ndie oye difo ene we ade a wo ye ndie oye enkomsheni anything mesra wo ade diem nyadaje nene obetin se papa said ya wu kire me na me kra na ase me hu adwiri me yesu sa ya kwa sorry me ma o je we dia oye difo but na wu kire ma me hu se ye we en komsheni na we ye difo ya ka difo a said ya wo kan se ye ba ya betu ye ba ye wo office enti se enne em se bebre aba be frem na papa we de wadan Roma Ghana aye we ya adi for Ghana
mamen kan se me na men chewa de right ya woniema e kabo mo bi wa be a prophet so unis anima ni bia you can never be a prophet
so unis anima bu akekabo
bi ba be chirechire mu ya
okay
untimi mfrem so difo ya wa ade a friend word of knowledge word of knowledge ni ye nimdisamka a word of knowledge me ba be chirim and ya word of wisdom nyansasamka okay aja say ni ya ka word of knowledge e ye nimdisamka na eno no e kasafa de atwam what you say last year utu kwan uye we and you nimdisamka and you won nyansasamka no e kasafa de e koto sesi a ye fra wo sei u free kro we so o ma me di ni sei nyansasamka
and you nyansasamka
yes
okay
it word of knowledge speak about the past word of wisdom speak about the present see the akoso and you want discernment of spirit and now you find
okay
I was a Bible say na Peter and na swan for be ko baby and na obi Paul and Silas and na obi kasa de omachi we na me nkofo na me sunsun omo so na me nsa omo so muntie de omo kan abade de omo ye adwuma abade de omo ye adwuma omo firi nyankopon odan no ka chense ho mfi akasa fa ne mu firi ne mu ko nanka obi kasa we na me ni pass mo kan ye no kore na me na aso am no kore na me na de mu ye adwuma no kore but ohun say asema nipa ne kan ye no kore na tumi ne kan no kore but tumi na e kasa ne de nya tumi ya me cannot say
ba
asema na tumi ne kan nya no kore but tumi na e kasa ne mfiri soro e bunsam
okay
edi ho mu na discernment of spirit no ana ma hunu say we efiri na me we emfiri na me we enyame tumi we enye na me tumi we eyebayi we eyensuo we eyesuman we emotia we emamuata we eyakom ene asema wo ka no ema hu tumi kura ekasa
okay
after what you say the discernment of spirit no and what differentiate between the spirit of God and the spirit of the devil and an evil spirit do your word of knowledge, word of wisdom, discernment of spirit. We are not the gift of vision. I know more need to be no one here.
Can you put in
Hunipana, Uhuno, or back to who wants some? Robin and one can fall. ansa no ba benya power gift ekuro wu o Yesu na onima na kuro ni mu 5 bodan
tumi e wo ho
yes tumi die and even tumi die ensu oto jai na ate Yehowa Bible say na abra na Israel okokon no na Joshua mukura Moses nsa na Moses nsa gina na eba fo no mudi gugu amunsa no so edi ngunu Bible say Joshua timi ma awie gina and even tumi die awie gina enum biem and 2 years na awie ni gina so ade nsa that is power gift. Elijah said, "You mini pampa again free so ma meshemo naba." Power gift. Eji tumidi ya ne de emade eni wotimi ba ho.
Papa wadawro mo. Asema rade fa oso kan. Said yenya Joshua de ye emfatu hu kasa kire awia ma awia gina. Papa want me busa say ena Ghana ye wo adifo
meba beduru so.
Okay.
Eti wonya sa power gift ne be kan hu wia. Na ansa na what to from was a prophet.
Okay.
What am I say? Obi wa enta be ka so or the gift of prophecy. Me person me ka de bi ona me chewa de bi wa na ka de. Na me chere giftings de.
Abusia Makachi say Losing TV de o de na de asem. Ena wo beti nsem akese pa ewo wasum. Enya na me the worshiper na minim se ye won komseni ene wo D4 ene ye be baba nsem no ne abie mu Losing TV itu okode no ene ba bia bedu ne wo beti nsem pa nsem a emu do
so bia Bible obetwa bia ni Bible ko 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 7 to 11 so for bia na ka me chere about the gift the gift of the Holy Spirit and the calling and answer the office of the Holy Spirit it is of be 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 7 to 11 yanko.
Okay. 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 7 to 11. Osina nanso woma honhom no yi ne ho adi. Won mu biara mu.
Oma honhom no eyi ne ho adi e wo nipa biara mu e Kristo ni bia mu.
Na ayeye. Okay say na wonam honhom no so ma obi nyansasem ka.
What as enti obia obe Kristo ni bia won konkuru mu no. I was so to nya the gift of the Holy Spirit. Obia as long as all your Christian ni ongogo ti mu gifting the obia obi when ya bi penanya ongogo ti mu
ana papa ya san chini
enti na make say ayenim ayenim ntia you are the gift of the Holy Spirit I do there obia be ba Christian ni say na ma fa yesa me kan ma gen kwa ongogo metam I was a gift of the Holy Spirit oni mu ba ko ana oni mu ne ba ko oni mu obi 23 4 5 you can get it I know a gift just actually onkonkon wo ba mu a ona achede odema
okay
and then the Christo ni bia onkonkon mu bi o so nya bi eto se bi wa onkonkon be ba oba bi mu de nyansasem ka e onkonkon ad match de
nyansasem ka
ai ko
obi so wo ma no nimdi
obi wo so ma nimdi sem ka anu so onkonkon ad match de ko
said ye honhom kro no ara pe
said ye onkonkon obete omu ni pe
okay
ko
ofofro so wo ma no gidie
ofofro so o ma ni gidie anu ya adoma chede ko
honhom kro no ara mu
honhom kro na
obi so wo ma no ayaresa adom
achede ayaresa adom de achede wan kasa ayaresa adom efre eta ya achede eto obi to bompe ma bubu ani asori anu nche se na man the office of a healing a gift
just nyame nche se
we just na me afra what you say and that's how to be say yare nche se na me afra da bi adu na na me nya problem meba so I gift to be Christo ni nko a na nkonko ba mu automatically said ya nkonko na pen o na be ga say nkonko ba de a bramwe on the pe o show must be a memo heal o hwe ni ma memo yansasem ka o hwe ni ma memo nimsem ka said ya honhom na pe enti adoma chede ano nye frɛ ye adoma chede de o frɛ enti me kira nkonko adoma chede ni we adoma chede no ko
honhom kro no ara
honhom kro na
edu ne say obi so wo ma no tumidi ye
obi o so honhom kro no ma no tumidi ye adoma chede ana na me wo kan ko
obi so wo man komhye
what you say enti nkɔm hyɛ adoma kyɛdeɛ nyɛ frɛ
Papa na say nkɔm hyɛ adoma kyɛdeɛ ne obiara bɛti
you can get it yɛ bɔ so yɛ adoma kyɛdeɛ but ɛnyɛ calling ɛnyɛ sɛ mtumi sɛ nkɔm hyɛ me amfam sɛ me yɛ odifo
nkɔm hyɛ ne nya office
dabi ɛnyɛ frɛ ɛnyɛ office ayɛ frɛ yɛ adoma kyɛdeɛ eti ọgọfọ bebree ọmọ sẹ nkọmọ wọn fẹ ọmọ prophets they are not prophets they are not even near the shoe of a prophet. A gift so far as I can prophesy or you can prophesy doesn't make you a prophet.
ẹnẹ papa wọn sọ ma ọkàn díẹ̀ náà ṣẹṣẹ wọ́n sì ẹ̀fẹ̀ kọ àwọn oníyẹ tuntun àmọ́ fọ bebree sábà.
wọ́n dẹ̀ bí fẹ́ ọmọ sọ ọmọ yẹ prophet àbí fẹ́ ọmọ Facebook ní mìíràn yẹ sẹ́rẹ̀ do you know what it takes to be a prophet.
ebi n ta de pa.
so far as you can prophesy maame mẹ wusẹ wa wò fọ ọsẹsọ fún ayé maame mẹ wusẹ okùn yẹ fẹ́ ní sẹ́ wọ́n sì yá ẹnu n kyerẹ sẹ́ ọ yẹ prophet. ẹ̀yẹ adum akyẹ̀dẹ̀ ọsẹ ebi nsọmọ ọmọ nkọm hyẹ adum akyẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ̀nyẹ fẹ́ eti ọbẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ ọmọ prophesy and 2 months no match because they were operating under a gift but not under a calling. To us,
obi nso wɔn ma no honhom ahodoɔ mu
what discernment of spirit. I don't say I do much. I don't just saw you for.
Obi nso wɔn ma no kasa ahodoɔ.
Kasa ahodoɔ. Obi wɔ awoka tongues a otimi kyerɛ ase. I do much. Deɛ nkonko na de ba.
Obi nso wɔn ma no kasa ahodoɔ nkyerɛ aseɛ.
Obi nso ma no deɛ nkasa ahodoɔ ankyerɛ aseɛ.
Du baako no sɛ na yɛn nyinaa ohun korɔ no ara na ɔyɛ.
Ɔsɛ wɔn nyinaa nkonko na yɛ
dɛn. Korɔ no ara na ɔyɛ. Na ɔkyekyɛ ma wɔn baako mmaako sɛdeɛ ɔpɛ.
Ote. Where yɛ keka sɛ yɛ admakyɛ de ni na asɔfo yɛ fast na bi ewe ma me. Ɛwɔ the book of Ephesians chapter 4 verse 11 to 16. Ephesians chapter 4. So what do you say? It was when nyina no nko na yɛ wɔkyekyɛ mu obi asɛ de ɔno pɛ. Enti so far as na me nkonkora na as long as na me nkonkora ma ɔmo ade admakyɛ de ni bia wutimi nya nsɛm ka ni ndisɛm ka mu I don't just so you difo. Ayɛ admakyɛ de ayɛ gift. A gift is not a calling. Tie admakyɛ de nyɛ frɛ. Yɛ wɔ frɛ nkasa. So for be kama me.
Episode 4 my T9 no we can fit do baako. It has no say adom akyɛde ahodoɔ ne botaeɛ. Na wama ebinom ayɛ asomafoɔ.
What I say? Eti de kenkan the first one go Corinthians no ayɛ onkonkron no adom akyɛde. Asa onkonkron no betani pa bie mu a asa Kristo ni a wo betani mu bia. To a cambery, on go tell me, wet wura doom, never body sorry at all. Obana, I side battery, but when you sorry, sorry. I want to defend what is Anthony. Take a better. I don't just want what you saw the prophet. Sir, I do much a dear. And that is the problem we are having in the church. There are so many people who are pretty under the gift, and they are calling themselves bishop, prophet, major prophet, healer. But a gift. Hey, what you say? It's a better time, you know. Obonsafi was faded because it was a gift which was given to him. So the what I saw the crowd room. That's what the better know. And you know, I know you had much of the ever was we and your friends said, "Oh, Frank, bra, Obaso, my frost a cocoya or smaf, bra, my frost a cocoya or church." Okay. And you know when you have a kind of efficiency in there, I know the area of fresh. When you have body in for one order, say to me, I'm a watcher as our officer. No, and you know, Obi or notice our officer as your friend. No, I do our operating in a dumachadiano. I never pay.
Obi a operating sir was any and your pet, Pakacho said, no, but some papa. And then someone a mudo and someone said Jesus catch Peter said quite quite the head on Lawson TV ye boko ye program ye dosuko that it won't be ano ye the above on thing.
It's you know young can we know so for quotation the man
Abdomache de no
quotation
episode 4 my T9
Ephesians chapter 4 verse 11 young can
Jesus must say Abdom actually ahodo ne botaye mekan na wama ebinom aye asomafo
enti wafre binom wama aye asoma what say ba ko na ginga ngo se da nkonkon ebe ma obi adoma kyere se do se ba we de wama ebinom aye waseda yi wo mu aye wo mu se omo ye asomafo aye from apostles and the apostolic is an office so be a lawyer obi a judge obi a doctor aye office you said the me said that friend or what now
ti papa na tese bi nka adoma chede ni go awodo obia ne de
mo eno de adoma chede but eno nya frɛ de ye kan sesi aye frɛ
papa na on se de wu kire mu yi sesi anu so de aye say o adane o
eno na me kire mu. That is the problem of the church. There are small boys be I just look at them on so they do 10 years also a prophet right
apostle
obi kwa na apostle kwa is what we dress me makra batito me batito me buy for cry a bishop
hey
ai me tete o mo
mo papa nya bishop
me mo bishop this for 30 years me mo bishop me ma so for matito mo 4 bishop
papa say wa na mo nkwan
me mo bi akwa na nipa no wa so this for we was wakote na so na che na bishop apede bo tabra wo ni what it takes to be a bishop it just ni abo it in apostle no kwa be yefo to the sense you can pay somebody to ordain you as an apostle but apostle go say na wo frɛ bi no aye wo mu apostle nya me na hye obi se o
ya ntusu on ti binye
enye nyipa kwa na se apostle
apana anya no kan bi na de ye nuanu bi ye enye no office no
but operate the gift and what they are got now
enjana so nagu
nti wa ma bi ni ma ye den asomafo that is what what apostle
ebinum edifo
and na second purpose wa ma bi ma ye edifo ba ko say on ma bi mu nkom hye adoma kyede but on say hane de so ma ebinum ma ye edifo afọ nsuya wo on konkon na ma bi mu enkom hye adom akyede
papa we de papa me ntwa no asama ro de fa so akan na tesenka ye wo school bi ko
ye monko school no monko you don't go to the school me papa some from prophet this is me
but that never did for school
that is it and they don't even attend and they be no or no such as oh
nya bible school
yes bible school say ko so bible yen ko so adu ache dey and yen ko so afre bible school ni say nya me fam say me be also for frɛ bi no ayo mo asomafo nya me fam say me be ya konfo nya me afre me wie no no makɔ akɔgye ntete ye e wo bible no ho ene wo ne ye ko frɛ me say be ya apostle me apostle na dansa na me ko
ye tusu de da
e tu ko so ya bible what you say e tu on do ko so na haso ye bi mu say wo frɛ bi mu so mo ne de o so ka
asomafo ebinum
edifo ena adoma kyede ne na ka so na o ma bi ma do nkom hye adoma kyede but ade so de wo say edifo enti nsusu ye wo adoma kyede ye nkom hye adoma kyede ene say wo ye wo difo mu that's the difference enti edifo ye your friend your office
your friend
and come hye adoma kyede enya ofre
to edifo ye your friend
ebinum asempakafo
and on it is to be an evangelist say me evangelist kwan your friend enya adoma kyede evangelist your friend that is it
your friend
I can't 5 minutes
that's your friend and you be an this speaker so this speaker go jina kwan say
o na mo kroma mo evangelist mo promo nyina ye concert party for
about say
oh kroma so di for bi anya evangelist bi asunya na betena ba bi e do beziwa obi so free nyame obi ya chenkuto ye ga metwa ne ka ma mo bia prioto ma mo ba brazia ye kategasi we ye preaching you can't evangelist. How do you mean of evangelist? Evangelist is somebody who preaches about the gospel. And the gospel is about the birth, the life, the death, the resurrection, and the second coming of Christ. God, evangelist is someone who preaches about the gospel, which is the birth, the life, the death, the resurrection and the second coming of Christ.
Osankani adwuma no
na adwuma no oka yes oka fancy gospel you can say oka nyamesam ana oka Kristo ho asem eye efa Kristo
ni wu
na wo na brabo ni wu ni wu sorry ene ni baye etoso mielu
okay
na obi nsuo obi tukase obi ka wodem obi wo yere oton
ba se nyame dia man so nka
na evangelist na ma chona juma no it is all the mess was who di matam a personal attack not evangelism Jesus monko na mo kan sempa ne ncha abode nya do beje di mo na su ncha oba no ngunguru dim ko kan sempa no onim sempa en sempa ye Jesus Kristo a ye wo no Yesu Kristo na bra bobo ye Yesu Kristo ni wuo Yesu Kristo ni wusori Yesu Kristo ni maye tosim ni eno na enkofo yike
papa say bia na ono nso senkani no mono nso asua Bible na hu say nie minua odifo eye ene Bible
ne kire wo say kone nchen won ka say fa ne be jona personal attack no udi na tabne ma obi nsacha na adwene udi na tema de okobokro no wonyai udi na tema de okoba hya wo wonyai udi na tema de okodiska do no wonyai. You understand what I'm saying? Edin nkoma de munya evangelist Ghana o de be afa na nyame baba ubi amamo edin baba da bi o so for your am come odifo your friend o sempaka for evangelist your friend
ahwefo ne akyekirefo
ahwefo your sofo yate asori ne de ma no da no hwedwa no so okosra nsori ma de oyare obompae ma no de oni nso ma ne interrupt oye ohwefo and the toss baby or chirefo and your friend a teacher for Yamiasam no chirechirem manipati Yamiasam nas. Where maybe was you and your friend say your friend. Sir, and your ministry. I know the office. Yes, you said that too soon. Yes, near the what's now. Obey. Aye. It's your own idea. Papa, and you much a day. Nkase wakase mbisesi ana achire magic akra o se ohwefo ono de ye de dom hyane nsa o da dom na no ono hwenwa no so enti ene obi ye difo a ontimi nasafo no obetima da asafo no obi esankani a obetima da asafo no apostle de ne de nsa oteten sori na kadwa ne de nunya ne se ba menchum evangelist de ne se onko keka nyamesem ontwa kramra okay nanka ye de sofo atwa no na ka na evangelist ntweba na hwe omo so sere bia omo nhwete ko se dwan bi yara omo ni dwan ko bia no omo hwete nanka bible teacher ne de ne se omo John teacher nyame asem na ka na aba no masinti na apostle de ne se on tete sori na so no mumie otibua na de juma na wacha se and obi so ya apostle one branch ka woni the apostle na juma nanka odi for de ne se onye sunsunuma wa soro ayaresa enkom hye adiyie nyame adwene nanka onyame am so bo anso ba sere we a onfiri nyame fie enko bosu sede ebeya onfiri nyame fie enko abosu fie wani gusu awo Lordson TV odi ene a na odi asem ene nyame sumu hwehwemu de ba ye papa wa cheche nsem bebie bebre ade ya bedu bebe wa chire mu odu obia ne office na wa kotu so wa twere sam ba won se nyana dwene na enya na ono ankasa na dwene na se bosem kabi na mom kotu from the Bible actually nsem bi papa ena niam nsem bi separate na ekoso said yate omunya D4 but then ededi say obi a ya friend no ni office say oye D4 then the daddy amedia dance say nipa sumasi oye nyankopo D4 once makasa obeye D4 so na bi mo from so obeye a D4 and be so mo ankom she adoma chede e chede fu ye no wo yen nyansasem ka nimbisamka awdo mu tumidi ye eno answadi hu na adoma chede asan what ma kabum ababa ye D4 now ayana de banko fo be de kasa omunya D4 aye tore bi nipa ni nisu okay but ayana no so free so omuya mfonso if we say there's no way na make my friend na me nipa bia only ni pursue every Genesis Revelation why na me friend na one only ni pursue ana woni mreyo what you say onyame ni se nipa ni nipa o ni pursue o mreyo ni nyina mu so afre no e don't even for character and judge obi calling there is difference between character and charisma I know your topic for another day. Okay. Character, you charisma, your friend. I will say your character, you suban. Okay. Charisma, you actually, and I say, offre. Obi wa more offre. That won't come soon. But now, the suban be any. Be our master, be and some, be our coupon, be our before. What I say? I know the issue. And so you will see any free. onyame frɛ Moses awurade frɛ Moses awurade frɛ no sɛ ɔfrɛ no sɛ ɔsomafoɔ sɛ ɔnkɔyi Israel ɛmfiri Egypt ɛmfa ɔmɔmara Canaan. As an apostle like Moses, saw a problem with the heart. Akoma, the temper. Just for folk who are not about Bogutri, no Kubako, a recipe for Mano, Pacha Ponoso, Boniti, not the Botso. Moses had anger problem, but he was called. Okay. David, I'm a friend, but now he has problem with women. Or a womanizer, but I'm a friend. David, yes, or could you for you? I remember my friend. 3% for my man was a the people have problem with charisma and character. Oh, Pepman, I mean, after why you fake. Obi Pepman doesn't mean you fake. Obi Pepman, hey, yes, he had issue with the character, but not with charisma. But when there's no one such a over such a but you will soon also such a way of module. But the problem is that the Roman such a when you soon module. And you must have a cassette, so I can see. I was a sunu adwuma said the Bible eka was mo fa popo anya mo kra nkwaje ho adwuma enwie ene de wa wate nsem me papa ye ni di nkomo yi efe no ak ne deeper the boy who ye prophet Igwe o hwe na ti kwa anya ya kwa santa so di papa nyankopon shira ye papa ak prophet Igwe ɛna yɛne no edi ahyiamu ɛna yi kama kyerɛ sɛ Lordson TV deɛ odi yɛn na odi asɛm ɛnɛ baabi a yɛba yɛ wankasa w'ani tua na wasonso ate nyame ɔnhyira wo bosomfo the worshiper ɛna mede dwumadeɛ ho kyia me makra
It's caught in the crossfire.